about to go out here and get into some gardening. Got some help? So we're about to do it. Let's go. Follow us on the journey. Spot right here, and we're gonna try to bring that and make this extend to this same flower garden right here. That's the little project we're taking on. Grass, no more grass, mulch, and you know. So I'm off to go get my boots. I was trying to do it barefooted, but it's not working out for me. So I'm headed over to the work spot. Bear with me too, because this is new to me. Heading over to the work spot. To get my tools out the shed, and then I get this pickaxe, because that's probably gonna help. Anytime I'm trying to do something with one hand, that's how it'd be. Any other time it would have just went nice smooth. All these tools. I guess you think I'm gonna need them. Get my boots so I can be able to do this the right way. Trying to make sure there's nothing in my boots, like no snake or nothing. I just stick my hand in there because I'm raising up, I guess. Anything in
You tired?
Just see how it just. I don't see the beginning of the end. It's like 5.
Can we get some mud from the bottom of that?
Just pour it and even it out. Ooh, somebody got their shoes off. Looking good, looking good. Time now. Country girl. It's got the grass too for the colors.
Oh,
There you have it. Project Finito.
intriguing. Yeah, but the ones that's out on the sides, yeah, like those two, the ones that's two away. I didn't get to cut yet. No, I said let me go ahead cut that one.
There you have it. Transplant snake plants. Digging up the earth and putting in the bed and kind of spreading it out. That's some Spanish time. And we just finished knocking that out. We were sitting out, we were hanging out, and the wife was like, let's do some work, garden work. And I was like, it's scorching hot. And she was like, well, you sure? And I know those opportunities are rare, so I just went ahead and got into it. Even though it was hot, I just got my sun hat and came out here and we got it done. And it was pretty cool. It turned out real good. Something I always thought about doing, but I never really looked into it because I always felt like, that must be difficult. But it was pretty easy, simple. And we knocked it out and we ended up transplanting 2 snake plants that we just purchased on today. And yeah, everything went pretty good. It was hot, but we got it done. So I said, let me just come out here and just end out the video and tell you how we summed it up. It was pretty cool. It was very eventful. And as you can see, we were getting into taking turns and getting our fingers in the earth, which I love to do. I love the outdoors. And it was just amazing. Just have the presence of the Lord always in everything that we do and just hang out today. Earlier we went out, we had lunch, and now we're back home and we decided to finish the day with something wonderful and eventful and just end it off productive. Overall, it was a pretty productive day. We were outdoors all day and we got dressed and we were nice and headed out and all clean. And then we came home and got into the evening attire, the afternoon attire, and got into the dirt. And that was wonderful. It's always amazing when we can work together and just spend that wonderful quality time. It doesn't have to involve spending or being out doing the most. So yeah, man, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it's something new that I'm getting into and just trying to make sure I'm filming right and holding the camera at the right angle and all that good stuff. But over time of us filming and putting it together, it'll get easier. And of course, I say always lead with the Lord, have him in the center of everything that you have going, and just know that everything is going to work itself out. And you too can have wonderful, eventful days like this. And it's something simple. It's nothing crazy that we went and spent a whole bunch of money to have fun. We just were outside bonding and spending that quality time with one another and just enjoying the outdoors, the fresh air. Look how nice the clouds are out there. It said it was supposed to rain all day, and as you can see, no rain. We got few raindrops on our head, and the wife went running inside, but as you can see, the sun is out shining. And yeah, amazing day, blessed day. It's always a good day when I get to come outside, and of course when the wife is out here with me as well. It was amazing. It was eventful. And y'all just continue tuning in each and every day. I remember at one point we were filming a lot in all those times before, and we stopped. We were in Georgia at the time, but now we're over here in Texas, back home in our stomping grounds. So just follow us on the journey, and as we go, I always try to remember to film it because we do a lot. Sometimes it's so simple. I'm like, oh, I don't want to film anything, but I know how I felt when I was watching other people's videos, and I love to see what they're doing on a daily basis. So we'll try to do like a vlog at least once a week, twice maybe. That's a bonus. But until then, just stay tuned and subscribe, like, all those different things so you stay notified when something is shared. And I believe that's all I'm supposed to say. Y'all take care of yourself. Stay positive, be uplifting. Always put God first in the center of everything that you got going. And know that you cannot do it in your own strength. But with following the Lord and putting him first, keeping him in the center, planted in what you got going, is the best way possible to live your life. Because I used to live my life however I wanted and according to my will, but according to the Lord's will, His will be done. And everything else, leave the rest. Take it easy. Till next time, see you.